Hi, this is the Realme Narzo 60 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. Also, we could make it by another way. Just hold for a while the home screen with a finger, select a couple of apps and click to create folder. If you want to rename the folder, just tap on the name once and enter the new one. For example, the apps. Tap to OK. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold and drag it. To remove the application from here, you should hold and drag it to the home screen. If you want to resize the folder, hold it for a while and tap to enlarge to make it bigger and tap to shrink to make it smaller. Also, we could remove the applications from here just by hold the app folder and tap to remove. You'll remove the folder and the applications, and also you could just hold it and tap to remove folder and you'll stay with all of the applications on the home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.